Hi, hello, and welcome. If you are new here, if you're returning, I am so glad you came back to join me. Today we are going to be reviewing the Boxy Charm, I almost dropped it, Luxe. So if you are interested in that, in Boxy Luxe, or just in my variation, or why I've decided to cancel, then please go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, friends and family, so I did mention in my Boxy Charm Premium that I was going to be canceling Premium and Luxe. I just feel like it has too much beauty products for me. I have been receiving this subscription for just over a year, 13 months. So I've decided that based on what I receive and how much the boxes are, that I just would rather stick with the base box. I feel like the base box always has great things, a lot more makeup. I feel like during the Luxe months they amp up the base box, and I feel like I always miss out. I did try doing a separate subscription with a different email, but that was just pricey as far as, you know, the Luxe just is not meeting my expectations. And it's not even that it's expectations, it's just that it's not meshing with me. And when I did cancel, I don't remember the exact things that it said, but it said receiving too much makeup, go to Luxe or go to Premium, something like that. And then it said if you're receiving too much skincare, then do the base. And so I was like, okay, that's sort of what I was gathering. I don't know for a fact, and I kind of clicked through it so fast. I wish I would have got a screenshot for you guys so that it would clarify it for all of us, because I feel like most of us are kind of always questioning that. Maybe you guys are more familiar with it than me. Like I said, I've only been reviewing it for a year, and I do pay for this myself. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get done, or get into this. I am, like I said, still going to unbox the base box as well as all of the Ipsy subscriptions, because I was very pleased with all of Ipsy for the last year, even with them upgrading with a when they do a Glam Bag X featuring someone. So with all of that being said, I'm going to stop rambling. Here we go. We got the Luxe. This is the upgraded box from your base. So base box is $25 a month, and this is an additional $24.99, I believe. And it comes up to $24.99. So, oh, this looks like it's also, never mind. I did get these boxes late, which is why we're barely reviewing them now, but we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 full-size items for $49.99. This is the theme for the Luxe box, and your variation down here, as well as your pricing and a little bit about all the products. We did get to choose, I believe, 2 choice items, and the first one, and it's right on top, is the Rare Beauty. I wanted to try Rare Beauty. This is from Selena Gomez, so I'm really excited. All of the palette choices they had looked very beautiful. I do feel like I have a lot of these colors, but nothing that is in this whole little like set. Ooh, it's a little bit dusty. Hopefully things didn't break, but here is, I don't know if you could see all of that. But yeah, all right. So this one, it says it's Magnetic Spirit, and let's just open it up. Oh, it's completely ruined, you guys. Ah. Oh no, it's a mess. I don't even know if I could look at that. Bummer. It's such a really pretty color too. It's even like all on the mirror, like I'll have to clean this up. I'm still gonna swatch. Let's swatch this purple color because that's what I got it for. And then I've been really feeling the oranges for fall. So we'll swatch those two. Look how pretty. Ooh, that's a very pretty like October color. Oh, look at those. They swatched so nice, so smooth and buttery. I love it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know that I'll reach out to them. Do you guys think I should say something? Like it's the whole, that whole color is missing. I'm pretty sure they'd replace it. I've never had to use their customer service. I honestly, ooh, I can't even close it without it like smushing some of those chunks. Okay. I don't know. I've heard that they're not the easiest to get a hold of. This is, ooh, like, it is just all over the place, girl. All right, Rare Beauty, $25 for this guy. I do think it's a good value. I'll see about replacing that because that's kind of rough. All right, the next thing that's really huge is the contour palette. I'm really excited to get this. This is Cab Beauty. Look at how big this is. It's like reminds me of those big, huge chocolate bars when you could go when you were a kid and you'd go into the candy shop at the mall. They had that big, huge like Hershey's. So here is what this. Ooh, I love it already. Here are all of the colors and shades. They do look a little bit light. That's okay. I used to have the Too Faced palette with all of their contour colors. It was in a something similar like this, not the same shape, but like this, and I loved it. I used all of the colors to the pan, I think, except for like maybe one because it was way too light. So I was excited to get this because that's what it reminds me of, and I can't wait to try it. So there's those two there. Let's see what they do on the skin. So I do think I could probably use this one. This one's the color Sand. I could probably use that to lighten up under my eyes and stuff. And then I do like this color for sort of around the hairline. So we'll give that a try. This probably is expensive. Let's see. $60 by itself. So definitely just this item alone pays for the box plus more. So I am happy with that guy. So I am 2 for 2 on this. We'll see how much skincare is gonna come out of this. Maybe I might change my mind. It does kind of look like a good box. Anyway, the next thing in here is some MAC eyelashes. So I have never tried MAC eyelashes. I don't usually, like even now I do not have falsies on. I don't mind using these. I will use them for special occasions. So I do like to have some on hand. I don't do it every day or anything. So these are really pretty. Look at how fluffy those are. They look very thick and good quality. I love the little case that it comes in. Like I feel like even when I wear these, I could use this case still. So that's always a plus. Let's see what this goes for. Why do I not see? Okay, $18. So that sounds about right for the price. The next thing in here is the Lifestyle Co. Bamboo Body Polish. Here's what that looks like. Let's see what it's all about. It feels like, it sounds like a scrub, but I'm not sure. Ooh, it smells amazing. Oh, it smells yummy, but it's very watery. I don't know if you guys can see the watery. It's like it's almost like a watered down shampoo or soap. So let me see, how do we use this? So it says scoop between fingers, apply to wet skin, and gently massage into circular motion, focusing on rough areas. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry for a soft, moisturized skin. All right, my first glance at this was I'm not going to use it, but I love the way it smells, and the winter is coming up, and I do get eczema patches, so I think that I am going to use this. I'm going to give it a try. Smells so yummy. I think that's what did it for me. Let's see, the Lifestyle Co. This was $49 by itself, so that's a good value there. The next thing I'm pulling out, the New Co. N-U-E, New Co. Immunity Defense Drops Herbal Supplement. So I probably will not use an herbal supplement. It does have an expiration date down here of 4/23. Just thought I'd mention that. It does have supplement facts on the back, and then here is this. Let's see. So 1 dropper full every day. Your first line of defense. I'm not going to open it up, but here is what the bottle looks like. How much is this? The new, okay, this was $35. Again, I'm not going to use this guy, so we will put that to the other side so I can see what I do like and what I don't. All right, Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Powder Power Whipped. All right, I do like the brand Saturday. I have tried it in BoxyCharm before, so I'm thinking I might go ahead and use this. Let me see what it looks like. I tried the pineapple enzyme one, and I did really like that, so let's see. Place moisturizer onto the palm of your hand. Using all 4 fingers, apply in an outward circular motion, tapping the moisturizer into skin. Okay, so you're kind of doing a tap as like you moisturize. All right, look at this pretty packaging. Always nice. Ooh. This smells, it kind of just smells like a cream. It is whipped. Okay, this I am going to use. There is some little, like, I don't know if you can see in here. You can see, like, some little lumps. I don't think they're bad. They're not bad lumps. There's a lump on my finger. I don't know if you can see it there and right there. Here it is on the skin. Let's rub that in. Oh, it feels so nice. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing for eczema on my face. I always get it, like, underneath my eyes and right here. I think because when I wipe my makeup off, that's like where I apply the most pressure first, so I tried to be very careful of that. I do think I will try this for that this winter. How much is this? Where are we? $57. So this is a good brand. All right, so far I'm very happy with this box. I don't quite take back everything I said yet, but we're almost there. I might be by the end of the video. Okay, the next thing is this Dew of the Gods Froze Hya Activated Lip Scrub. It comes in this pretty little package, and dare I open it? Okay, look, if I had enough subscribers to do a giveaway, I would give this to you guys. But I don't, so I'm gonna open it and we're gonna play with it. So I do love how pretty this little box is. I love that it's like this little cardboard case. Like, I feel like I want, after I use the scrub, or if I use the scrub, I would use this for something else. Look how cute it is. It's just, it reminds me of like just little cute things, like little mini Hello Kitty stuff. Okay, here is what the actual package looks like. The Blessed to Inspire, the Gift of Forgiveness. I forgive you from, and then it's like a little dash, like your lips. They forgive you each and every single time, but you still let them down. Show them some much needed love with the Scrub of the Gods, our iconic froze lip scrub activated with hyaluronic acid and essential oils to hydrate, exfoliate, and lift. Gently rub across the lip whenever they look or feel chapped, and wipe off the access and enjoy. Ooh. So it is sealed. It's like we're keep on opening, and oh. Oh, that's like really thick sugar there. I'm not gonna get from there. I'm gonna get it from the lid here and see, because those are some really thick sugar cubes. They're huge, the big ones. Okay. Alright, so kind of messy, falling all over the place. I do feel like the coconut oil, and then of course I rubbed it and the sugar just went everywhere. So I think it's kind of messy. Reminds me of a snow cone. I will give it a try or two. Like I said, I do. Oh, you know, these are good too. Like if you don't use this, I had another one that I didn't end up using, but when we went traveling over the summer, I used this to put like my pomade, or like, you know, whatever the gel stuff is that I use in my hair. I put it in one of these, so you can always do something like that. How much was this guy? Let's see. What is the brand here? Dew of the Gods. This was $16. I feel like a little pricey for what you get, because I felt like it was more sugar than it was like any type of oil or anything. So we'll see. It felt a little bit dried out. Okay, last but not least, and I'm really excited about this. You guys know I love to get duos or whatever, like sets in here. It always makes your box feel like you received more. And I love when they give you a shampoo or a conditioner that they give you both, because that's what we do, right? We do, or at least me, I do both. So I'd like to receive both so I could try the whole set. So this is what we did get. Look at how exciting this is. You got the shampoo, you got the conditioner. And I am going to use this. What is, let's see, Outro, I think is Outre, or Outro, and Outre. Best Buds Shampoo and Conditioner Duo, $66. Healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. This daily duo repairs and hydrates stressed out hair and natural ingredients like Jabba. I'm like, what is the word? I know it. Jojoba. Now I lost my place. Guys, I can't do this. Jojoba, boab, and avocado, while the anti-inflammatory benefits of CBD oil nourishes and soothes your scalp. It's great for all hair types. Tame frizz, protect hair color, and add luminous shine. I have all of those things, so this is great. I will, again, let's go ahead and do the recap. I'll put the value over here in just a minute. So we got our Duo shampoo and conditioner. We got the Saturday Skin whipped cream, which looks amazing. We've got the bamboo body polish. We've got the these I don't know, natural immunity support defense drops. We've got the lip scrub, the eyelashes, and of course the Broken Rare Beauty. Now I am happy with this. I probably won't use these two items, but I do think like this was one of the better Luxe boxes that I've received, like probably at all, maybe, or in a while. Like I said, I've only been reviewing for a year, so I'm really happy with this box. Still want the base box because I feel like they always step it up during Luxe month. So I have not changed my mind. I did, even though this box was very pleasing, very much curated to my style, so I was very happy about that. Let me know what you guys thought. Let me know what you think. Like, do you feel like the same thing, like you don't use most of your Luxe items? And then we will just go ahead and see you in our next video. Bye guys.